Hello everyone. I am MEGHA from AIDS department. My startup company name is Vogue and the product present name is Perfume. The product proposed name is Fragrance Fusion. So my empathy for perfume is enhancing the fragrance and automatic spraying. So product existing name is Perfume and futuristic product name is Fragrance Fusion. So IDT, formulating the perfume to ensure the synthetic lasts long without reapplication, offer a system where user can mix and match the different notes to create a personalized fragrance. So third one is create formulas that are hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin. Use sustainable materials for packing and provide a refillable option. So this is my drawing for the fragrance fusion. So I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your option to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.